Clove tea is a simple, inexpensive drink that has been prepared for generations. Even so, few people realize that this small spice is packed with an impressive amount of natural compounds and can offer benefits that go far beyond its strong flavor. Some of these benefits make even more sense at night, when the body starts to slow down, begins important recovery processes, and at the same time, many people end up overindulging the most during the day. Today, you'll learn what these benefits are, why they happen, and how to enjoy clove tea in a simple and safe way. The first benefit starts even before you take your first sip. Clove is among the spices richest in antioxidant compounds in our diet. Its main component is eugenol, along with polyphenols and other natural substances also found in fruits, herbs, and vegetables. These compounds help the body better cope with some of the oxidative stress, a natural process that happens every day and tends to increase with factors like an unbalanced diet, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, pollution, and sleepless nights. That's why including spices like clove in your diet is a simple way to enrich your meals with bioactive compounds. But before we talk about the other benefits, if you like health content and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, leave a like, it really helps a lot. If you want to check out shorter content and see more of my daily life, follow me on Instagram. Let's keep going. Maybe the easiest benefit to notice is indigestion. If you usually finish dinner feeling heavy, gassy, or with abdominal discomfort, clove tea can be a great ally. Clove has been traditionally used for centuries to promote digestive comfort. And studies show that its compounds can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and help your digestive system function normally. For many people, a warm cup after a meal brings exactly that feeling, that the body has finished its work more comfortably. When digestion is lighter, there's another interesting consequence. A lot of people mistake the feeling of a heavy stomach for the need to eat something sweet. It might sound strange, but this happens often. Dinner ends, and just a few minutes later, the craving for chocolate, cookies, ice cream, or any other snack shows up. It's obviously not always hunger. Many times, it's just a habit that's been repeated for years. This is where clove tea takes on another important role. Its strong aroma and naturally bold flavor help create a sense of closure after a meal. Instead of immediately reaching for dessert or opening the fridge almost without thinking, many people start to associate that moment with a cup of tea. It might seem like a small detail, but little changes in your routine often lead to big results when repeated daily. This swap can benefit not just your body weight, but your overall metabolic health. Excess sugar and ultra-processed foods eaten at night lead to repeated glucose spikes and make it harder to control insulin resistance over time. Insulin resistance means that the body needs to produce more and more insulin, the hormone that controls glucose, right? It has to produce more just to do the same job of moving glucose, or in other words, the sugar in your blood, into your cells. It's a silent process that can develop over years before it shows up in lab tests or before a diabetes diagnosis appears. Interestingly, clove itself has also been drawing researchers' attention in this area. Some studies conducted with concentrated preparations of the spice have shown promising results in markers related to glucose, cholesterol, and triglycerides. This doesn't mean that a cup of tea will treat diabetes or replace any medication, but it does show that clove has properties that are still being studied for their metabolic potential. When this characteristic is combined with more balanced eating habits, the results can be even more interesting. There's another benefit that's not often mentioned too. Eugenol, which is found in clove, has been known in dentistry for decades. It's part of materials used by dentists and has well-known antimicrobial activity in laboratory research. It's precisely this characteristic that helps explain why clove tea often leaves a pleasant feeling of freshness in your mouth after you drink it. Obviously, it doesn't replace brushing or flossing, but it can complement your oral care routine. As the night goes on, another benefit naturally appears. Making tea takes a few minutes. You heat the water, take in the aroma of the clove, and drink it slowly. Without realizing it, this little ritual slows down the fast pace of your day. Many people discover that what seemed like hunger was actually just anxiety, tiredness, or a need for comfort. Tea doesn't treat anxiety, nor is it a sleeping aid, but it can help create a smoother transition between the hustle and bustle of daily life and your time to rest. This also helps make for a more comfortable night. Very heavy meals, too many sweets, and snacking close to bedtime increase the chances of heartburn, acid reflux, and a feeling of fullness for many people. When tea takes the place of those things, as I mentioned before, you tend to end your day feeling lighter. That's why so many people say they feel more comfortable at bedtime after swapping frequent desserts for a hot, unsweetened drink. Another interesting detail is the effect on your taste buds. Clove has a naturally strong flavor. Over time, people who start drinking less sweet beverages usually discover flavors that used to be masked by too much sugar. This adjustment happens gradually and can make it easier to make other healthy choices throughout the day without that constant feeling of deprivation. Making the tea is very simple. 2 or 3 whole cloves in a cup of hot water are usually enough. Let it steep, meaning let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes, and drink it without sugar. If you want a milder flavor, just use fewer cloves or steep it for less time. The important thing is to turn this moment into a pleasurable habit, not an obligation. As with any medicinal plant or spice, common sense is also part of taking care. People with reflux, gastritis, or very sensitive stomachs should pay attention to how their body reacts. Anyone taking anticoagulant or antiplatelet medications, has significant liver disease, is pregnant, or plans to consume large amounts regularly should talk to their healthcare provider. And never substitute clove tea with clove essential oil, which is highly concentrated and should not be ingested on your own. In the end, clove tea didn't become popular in so many cultures by accident. It brings together flavor, tradition, and natural compounds that continue to spark scientific interest. That's all for me for now. God bless you, take care, and a big hug.